You want to know what makes me mad? Is when I go on a listing presentation and they're interviewing multiple agents, and the one agent, there's always one that really wants to overprice the home, and they sell the seller on everything that the seller wants to hear. That agent delivers to them. But as a homeowner, can I explain to you how that real estate agent is going to make a fortune off of your home, but your home is never going to sell? All they do is they have open houses at your home, for example, or they advertise your home, and the buyers come that are comparative shopping. They quickly realize that your home is overpriced. So the agent says, oh, here's a list of other homes in the neighborhood that I'd love to show you. Hey, the open house ends at 3 o'clock, and I can go show you those houses right after. And then they go sell my listing, which is priced right. So they continue to go to the well and pull water from the well of their overpriced listings in order to fuel their income. So they're making a fortune, but you as the homeowner, your home is never going to sell. And that's what happens in the real estate industry when you list with an agent that is overzealous, that's maybe struggling, they're desperate for that listing. So rather than tell you the truth, they're going to tell you what you want to hear, and they're going to take those leads and sell other houses, not yours. Y'all be careful out there.